Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to discuss Grade 8 English Poem 3. The title of our poem is Macavity the Mystery Cat. The poem is written by the famous poet T.S. Eliot. So before getting into the poem, we should know some information about the poet. So the poet is T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot was an American-born British poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic, and editor. Some of his best-known poems in English language include The Waste Land, The Hollow Man, Ash Wednesday, Four Quarters. He was also known for his 7 plays, Murder in Cathedral, The Cocktail Party, etc. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1948 for his outstanding pioneer contribution to present-day poetry. I hope I could give a gist of T.S. Eliot. So in this poem, Macavity the Mystery Cat, the author just displays or portrays the mischievous character of a cat, and its name is Macavity. The poet of this playful poem, T.S. Eliot, is very fond of cats. So, when he was very fond of cats, he normally, in one of his poems, included the story of a cat. Okay, this poem is a part of his work, Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats. Here, the cat Macavity openly disobeys the laws and is a criminal. Okay, so here we can find the story of a cat who is criminal. So moving on to the poem. Stanza wise I will explain. Okay. Macavity the Mystery Cat. You all children will be fond of keeping pets at home. So some pets are very unique. So Macavity is one among them. Okay. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The Flying Scots despair, for when they reach to the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So, in this poem, the poet says that the cat Macavity is very mysterious cat. Okay, he does many things, but he is not able to caught. So that's the trickness of this cat. Okay, he is called as the Hidden Paw. He is called as the Hidden Paw. Okay, Hidden Paw means he has some mystery inside him. Okay, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. वो क्या करेगा मैकाविटी जो एक मास्टर क्रिमिनल है, वो है ना सारी लॉ सारे रूल्स को डिसओबे करता है. ओके, ही इज द बैफलमेंट ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड. पूरे स्कॉटलैंड के कंफ्यूजन है मैकाविटी द मिस्ट्री कैट. And the flying squads, that means the police are not able to catch him, so for them he is the despair. तो पुलिस भी उसे पकड़ नहीं सक रहा. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Whenever this Macavity commits the crime, he just escapes very trickily. And when the police come to the spot, they are not able to catch McCavity because McCavity is not there. So, moving on to the next answer. McCavity, McCavity. There is no one like McCavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir's chair. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. See, McCavity is unique. उसके जैसा और कोई नहीं है. There is no one like McCavity because he has even broken the laws of human beings को जो laws है वो सब उसने break कर दिया. Okay, and the law of gravity also. जो अर्थ की जो लॉ है ना, ग्रेविटी, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, वो लॉ भी ये ब्रेक करता है. He has the powers of levitation. ओके, ही हैज़ द पावर्स ऑफ लेविटेशन. इसका मतलब है पूरे स्काई में वो उड़ सकता है. ओके, ही इज एबल टू मूव इन द स्काई विदाउट एनी सपोर्ट. एंड इवन द फकीर वुड स्टेयर एट हिम. फकीर मीन्स दोस हु नो सम सुपर नेचुरल पावर्स. जो बहुत पावरफुल है उसे फकीर बोलते हैं. ओके, जिसके पास सुपर नेचुरल पावर्स है वो भी इस मैकेविटी के सामने ऐसे ही सरप्राइज हो जाता है. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. So many crimes he commits, and when someone reaches there, he is not found. So moving on to the next. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. देखो वो कहाँ कहाँ छिपता है. जैसे कि आप जाकर उसे बेसमेंट में ढूंढते हो तो वो वहाँ पे नहीं होगा. Then you will feel that he will be in the air. He will be in the sky. When you look up at the sky, he is not there. But I tell you once and once again, wherever you search him, he will not be found. Okay, McCavity को कोई कहीं पे देख ही नहीं सकता. McCavity, now next stanza describes his physical appearance. Okay, McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brows is deeply lined with thought, and his head is highly domed. So McCavity is called as ginger cat. Okay, the skin of McCavity is the color of ginger. He is very tall and thin, and his eyes are sunken in. Sunken in means उसकी आंखें बहुत डूबा हुआ है. Okay, his brow is deeply lined with thought. हमेशा उसके ब्रो देखकर हम समझ सकते हैं कि वो कुछ नया नया प्लान्स ऑफ क्राइम सब थिंक कर रहा है. ओके, his head is highly domed. उसका सिर भी highly domed है. ओके, his coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. So the next stanza also describes about his physical natures itself. उसका कोट जो है बहुत ही डस्टी है क्योंकि वो कभी भी अपने कोट के बारे में बॉदर नहीं करता. उसके विस्कर्स अनकॉम्ड है. दैट मीन्स ही इज नॉट बॉदरिंग अबाउट हिमसेल्फ. ओके, ही स्वेस हिज हेड फ्रॉम साइड टू साइड. वो क्या करता है जब कभी उसकी मूवमेंट्स ऐसी है कि स्नेक की मूवमेंट्स जैसी है. स्नेक, he moves his head side to side like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. तो जैसे ही आप देखते हो वो सो रहा है मगर वो सोता नहीं है. वो तो बहुत ही अलर्ट होता है. ओके, he is wide awake. He is planning his next crime. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when the crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. So McCavity के जैसा कोई और कैट नहीं है. So he is just an evil, in a feline shape. He is a evil in a cat shape, a monster of depravity. He is just like a monster. You may meet him. आप कहाँ देख सकते हो मैकेविटी को? In a by street or you may see him in a square. Square में सिटी के कुछ बाग्स है, street, square and all, वहाँ सब देख सकते हो. But when the crime is discovered, then मैकेविटी is not there. मगर अगर कुछ क्राइम हुआ है तो आप मैकेविटी को वहाँ कहीं भी देख नहीं सकोगे. So such a very tricky, skillful cat is मैकेविटी. Okay, I hope you understood this poem and go through it. Okay, children. So that's all.